guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Natasha coming back with another video. Sorry if I look like this, but this is what I look like on a regular day. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be doing a review slash first impression slash demo slash excited to do this. Okay, so I came across this company like maybe almost a year ago, but I never, tried it. So I'm like, why not do it now? It's been on my Instagram a lot, it's been on my Facebook. Basically the feed is everywhere. I see it everywhere, and the company that I'm talking about is called the Naturall Club. Naturall, I hope I'm not saying it wrong. But yeah, and it was founded by Muga Itigani. I hope I'm saying your name right. I've been sitting here trying to pronounce your name for a while. It's like maybe 5 minutes. But yeah, I hope I said your name properly. I'm so sorry if I chopped your name in pieces, but I tried my best, okay? And this is this beautiful, beautiful lady right here. Yeah, and I think, like, I read up on her. I guess she started her company back when she was in college. I think she traveled to Africa, and then whatever she all the information she learned in Africa, she brought it back, and then she started making this like in her home, whipping it with the blender, all that good stuff. So kudos to you, girl. I can't wait to try your product. So yeah, I'm finally doing it. So in the little package, it took a while for me to get my package. I think why? Because they were sold out a lot. They had to get restocked, and I think it like 2 weeks, because when I ordered, they said it would take 2 weeks before they restocked, and I was waiting for a really long time. At one point I'm like, I made my purchase like a long time ago and I haven't seen anything. So I messaged them and they got back to me like, yeah, I'm sorry, such and such. It's because, we don't have any stuff in stock, but it's going to be in stock, blase, blase. And yeah, then when I finally got my package, it came to me over the weekend and I wasn't feeling well, so I'm doing it now. So if you're not going to use the product then and there, you have to put it in the freezer. Remember, this is all natural products, so you have to put it in the freezer, and it's on the little card where they give you instructions that you need to put it in the freezer. All right, so yeah, I got 2 of the deep conditioner, and I got it for the damage hair solution, and I got the hair growth serum, which is the Jamaican black castor oil growth serum with lavender. I love the company. I love what it stands for. It's a black owned business. Your girl will forever support black owned businesses, and I'm going to support a little bit extra because it's a woman. Come on, boss, come on, she's a boss. So yeah, you guys can go check them out on their Instagram. Mind you, this is not no paid nothing. I just want to try her stuff because I heard a lot of good stuff about the product. I see them repost, like whoever used their products, they post it on their Instagram. I've seen a lot, so I'm like, okay, you know what, my hair is all looking cray, maybe I need some of this deep conditioner in my life. So yeah, I'm just gonna try that out. This is my little packet. Y'all should know what this looks like by now. I got my little water bottle, and like I said, my hair is already sectioned, so which part am I for the first? All right, so I'm gonna rip this. There's no going back. I'm ripping the product. I want to smell it. Ooh, it looks creamy too. So I have a little dollop. This is not, what's that thing called? They have like a dollop of daisy. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's running, it's running. Smells good. All right, So I can't stop smelling it. I'm rubbing it around. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. I see you. And if y'all know me, I love avocado, so eat it in my tummy. Mind you, this morning I made me avocado toast, but not your regular schmegular avocado toast. I made mine with a twist. Okay, and that little dollop kind of worked in. And look at my curls though. Do y'all see my curls? They be popping. All right, so I already did this side. I'm a little DIY scrunchie. All right, I see you. All right, let's do the front. So I'm just gonna do that throughout the rest of my head. Okay, so this is my hair after I washed it out. There is nothing, no product in my hair, but this is my hair. It feels great. So now I'm going to use the growth serum. Ooh. And just the color of this. I grew up in Caribbean. You guys know I'm from Jamaica. And just the color of this reminded me, and the smell too, reminds me of how potent Jamaican the Jamaican black castor oil is. So I'm just gonna start from there. Oh, okay. Just a little bit more. Rub it in. Make sure I get on my fingers. The smell is potent. It did say it's a lot of black castor oil in there, but that reminds me of home. I hope you guys enjoy this little video. Yeah, I just wanted to try these products. I wanted to show some love to the Naturall Club. Yeah, I love their products. I've always wanted to use it, and I finally, well, it finally came, because it took a while before I got it. It finally came, and I jumped on it to film this video as quickly as possible. I did it. I love my products, so shout outs to the Naturall Club. My hair feels wonderful. I'm going to go do some little twisty things right now because my hair is still wet. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying these products. Don't forget to give it a like, share it to someone who would want to try this product, which you should try it because it's awesome. And support black-owned businesses. Always support black-owned businesses. I'm all for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.